to read lesson 1 measurement. In this lesson, we are going to read measurement, definition of measurement and importance of measurement, fundamental and derived quantity, unit, standard system of unit, fundamental and derived unit, measurement of mass, weight, time and volume. Measurement. Whatever we do, wherever we go, we need measurement. Measurement play an important role in our daily life activities. Without measurement, we can't get exactness in any unknown quantity. For example, when we go to a shop to purchase rice, shopkeeper asks for a certain quantity and he takes weight of rice. This is concerned with the measurement of mass. When you get ready to go somewhere, you see watch or you ask time to someone. This is concerned with the measurement of time. When measuring something, we compare a known quantity with known quantity. So, measurement is the process of comparison of a known quantity with known standard quantity. Some importance of measurement. Measurement helps in buying and selling goods. Measurement helps to perform scientific experiment. It helps to obtain accurate results about physical quantities. Physical quantities. Physical quantities are those quantities which can be measured. Length, mass, time. They are physical quantities. Measurement of physical quantities is expressed in a numerical value followed by unit. If a mass of body is 10 kg, it means that the unit of mass is kg and the mass of the body is 10 times greater than 1 kg. In short, physical quantity is equal to numerical value into unit. So unit, it is the standard quantity with which we carry out measurement. Standard unit, the unit which is accepted all over the world. Worldभरि accept भएको युनिटलाई हामी के भन्छौं त स्ट्यान्डर्ड युनिट भन्छौं. एक्जाम्पलको लागि केजी हो, केजी भनेको युनिट अफ मास है, मिटर भनेको युनिट अफ लेन्थ एन्ड सेकेन्ड इज युनिट अफ टाइम. Physical quantity. Physical quantity are of two types, fundamental quantity and derived quantity. Fundamental quantity, those physical quantities which do not depend upon other quantities are called fundamental quantities. Examples, fundamental quantities are mass, length, time, temperature, luminous intensity, current and amount of substance. Mass is a fundamental quantity. Why? Because it cannot be expressed in terms of other quantities. Or other quantities ko आधारमा expression हुन सक्दैन. So it is a fundamental quantity. Our derived quantity, those physical quantities which are to be expressed in terms of other fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities को आधारमा express हुने derived quantity हो. Examples are area, volume, density, pressure, etc. are examples of derived quantity. अब area किन derived quantity भयो त? Because it is expressed with the help of fundamental quantity, that is length. Standard system of measurement. People in our countries are still using local units like mana, pati, dharni, half, beta, etc. for the measurement of mass and length. These units are understood by the people in certain places only. And this unit may vary from person to person and place to place. So, in order to bring uniformity in measurement, other standard systems have been used. Four standard systems of measurement are CGS system, FPS system, MKS system, and SI system. सबजनाले यता हेर्नुस् है त. यहाँ CGS system LMT, and L means length, M mass, and T time. अब यो के हुन्छ त? त्यो CGS, FPS, and MKS system को है फर्स्ट लेटर यो L ले के गर्छ? युनिट अफ लेन्थ है. सेकेन्ड लेटरले रिप्रेजेन्ट के गर्छ? युनिट अफ मास. एन्ड थर्ड लेटरले रिप्रेजेन्ट के गर्छ? युनिट अफ टाइम रिप्रेजेन्ट गर्छ. अब हेरौँ CGS system means the system in which length है. फर्स्ट लेटर युनिट अफ लेन्थ भने थिए. C भनेको सेन्टिमिटर, G means gram and S means second. अब यो length, the system in which length is measured in centimeter, mass is measured in gram and time is measured in second. हो यस्तो सिस्टमलाई हामी के भन्छौं? CGS सिस्टम भन्छौं है। यो सिस्टमलाई हामी फ्रेन्च सिस्टम पनि भन्छौं। अब FA सिस्टम, the system in which length is measured in foot, mass is measured in pound and time is measured in second is called FPL system, and this system is also called British system of measurement. MKS system, in this system length is measured in meter, mass is measured in kilogram and time is measured in second. The system in which length is measured in meter, mass is measured in kilogram and time is measured in second is called MKS system. It is also called metric system of measurement. SI system, System International Unit. In the year 1960, to bring uniformity in unit throughout the world, scientists introduced this system. This system is in fact the improved and extended version of MKS system. This unit, which is agreed by International Convention of Scientists held in France, is called SI unit. In this system, length is measured in meter, mass is measured in kilogram and time is measured in second. SI units are divided into two groups. Fundamental unit, two groups. Fundamental unit and derived unit. Fundamental units and derived units. Fundamental units. The units which are used to express fundamental quantities are fundamental units, or fundamental units are those units which are independent of other units. Some example of fundamental units are meter, kilogram, second, Kelvin, etc. are fundamental units of length. Kilogram is fundamental units of mass, time, temperature. SI units of 7 fundamental quantities are: SI unit of length is meter, mass is kilogram, time is second, temperature Kelvin, current ampere, luminous intensity candela, amount of substance mole. यो सबै के हो त फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी, लेंथ देखि अमाउंट अफ सब्सटेंस सम्म 7 फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी हो। यो सबै के हो त SI युनिट हो। त्यो फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी को SI युनिट। अब derived unitतिर जाम। derived unit हो the unit which can be expressed in terms of 2 or more fundamental units, or unit of derived quantity भनेको derived units। अब unit of density यो derived unit हो, kg per meter क्यों? किन derived unit हो त? Because it is expressed with the help of fundamental unit। कुन fundamental unit? kg। यो mass को fundamental unit भयो है। and 3 basic units meter र meter, यो लेंथ को युनिट भयो है। अब त्यही भएर यो के भयो त युनिट अफ डेन्सिटी फंडामेंटल युनिट को हेल्पबाट एक्सप्रेस भएको छ। सो इट इज कल्ड derived unit। त्यसको अहिले हामी सल्भ गरेर पनि हेर्छौं है। Some examples of derived unit are Newton, this is the unit of force, Pascal, unit of pressure, Joule, unit of work or energy, Watt, unit of power, etc. are the examples of derived unit. How can you prove what is a derived unit? है अब कसरी वाट भनेको derived unit प्रुफ गर्नुपर्ने हामीलाई। अब हामीलाई थाहा छ what is a unit of के हो त power हो। power को unit watt हो। we have or we know that formula के हो त power is equal to work done by time taken हो। पावर भनेको के हो त वर्क डन बाइ टाइम टेकन हो। अब वर्क डन को फर्मुला के हो? वर्क डन भनेको फोर्स इन्टु डिस्प्लेसमेन्ट। अब यो टाइम टेकन सेम लेख्दिनी है। अब फोर्सलाई पनि फेरि फर्मुलामा लाने, त्यसको फर्मुला है फोर्स इज इक्वल टु मास इन्टु एक्सेलरेसन ड्यू टु ग्रेभिटी है। त्यो लेखिसकेपछि सेम लेख्यौं। यहाँ हेर वर्क को फर्मुला F इन्टु S गर्यौं हो, अनि फोर्स को फर्मुला के गर्यौं त M इन्टु G गर्यौं है सिन्स ल अब हेर रिलेटेड युनिटहरु राख्नु पर्यो अब हामी है अब इक्वेसन भन्ने नि भयो है फर्स्ट गराइदिएर ल अब पुटिङ रिलेटेड युनिट इन एबोव इक्वेसन अब पावर युनिट अफ पावर इज व्हाट W राखौं अब हेर त मास इज मेजर इन के हो केजी किलोग्राम है अनि त्यसपछि यसको एसआई युनिट के हो एक्सलेशन ड्यू टु ग्रेभिटी को एसआई युनिट मिटर पर सेकेन्ड स्क्वायर अर्को डिस्प्लेसमेन्ट को मिटर बाइ टाइम को एसआई युनिट के हो सेकेन्ड हो इज इक्वल टु के हुने भयो केजी अनि मिटर इन्टु मिटर स्क्वायर यो सेकेन्ड पर भन्यो हो के न भनेको अपन तल जान्छ हो तल हुन्छ यो के भयो सेकेन्ड स्क्वायर इन्टु सेकेन्ड इज इक्वल टु केजी मिटर स्क्वायर पर सेकेन्ड क्यूब के रहेछ वाट भनेको केजी मिटर स्क्वायर पर सेकेन्ड क्यूब रहेछ भनेको केबाट एक्सप्रेस भयो त इट इज एक्सप्रेस with the help of fundamental unit हो fundamental unit kg meter र सेकेन्ड को हेल्प बाट एक्सप्रेस भएको कारणले this is called derived unit. Dear students, this much for today. We will discuss remaining topic in next lecture and thanks for today's lecture.